Hey guys, this is Vaibhav Sharma from the Handheld blog, and in this video I'll be showing you some of the shortcuts that will make your Samsung Galaxy S2 even more enjoyable. Please note that these shortcuts might work on some of the other old Samsung devices like the Samsung Galaxy S and some of the other TouchWiz based devices. Now first things first, if you go to the contacts option and if you're looking to quickly send a message or place a call, all you do is pick a contact and then swipe right to start making a call, or you can even swipe left to quickly send a message. Next, if you quickly want to make a call, all you need to do is start typing the name of your contact. So if I want to make a call to somebody called Vaibhav, all I do is start typing his name, Vaibhav, and as you see his name pops up and I can just tap it once and start calling. Next, one of the things that Samsung does is it lets you take screenshots without having to root your device or install any other application. So if you want to take a screenshot with an application, all you do is hit the home button and the power button, and a screenshot will be saved, which will be available in the gallery. Next is if you're in the home screen and you'd like to quickly switch between different home screens, all you do is give it a little pinch. You have an option, you can just tap into a particular home screen, zoom out and then tap in again. The TouchWiz interface on this device supports up to 7 home screens, so it'll be very useful if you have more than 4 or 5 home screens in place. If you want to quickly move home screens down, you can do that as well. You can just hit a home screen, drag, and then as you saw, I quickly moved the first home screen into the second place. Next, one of the really nice things that the Samsung interface again allows you to do is control the brightness right from the notification bar. So if you long press this bar, you can drag to reduce the brightness or drag towards the right to increase it. As you saw, it's very easy to do. Just hold it and drag. Great for adjusting brightness on the go. Next, if you open the browser, sometimes you'll notice that the text reflow does not happen very quickly. Out of the box, it does not reflow at all. If you just zoom in, it does not zoom in completely. But fortunately, if you go to settings, select the auto fit web page option, and now when you double tap, it brings everything in, and as you see, the text app works beautifully. You can then quickly start reading in and out, double tap to zoom out, double tap to zoom back in, and it makes reading web pages on the go a breeze. The next is if you have a number of tabs open in your browser, you can quickly pinch out and switch between different tabs. Just tap in once. If you want to go out, pinch out, and you can quickly switch between different apps. Next, you can also change fonts on this device. Just go to settings, display, screen display, font style, and it gives you 3 different preloaded fonts. If you want even more fonts, you can go to get fonts online option. It takes you to the market. You can pick up a font, or you can even sideload fonts. It just depends on what you want to do with it. Next, you can even change these default applications. All you need to do is go to settings. Say I want to bring my files instead of the contacts application. So all I do is drag, and as you see, it replaced my files with contacts. If you want contacts back, again, easy. All you do is drag. Next, if you have a number of applications installed, scrolling by page sometimes can become a chore. So all you do is tap your finger and drag. Not only is it very beautiful, it's very convenient if you are going to jump a number of home screens. Although, do note that you can directly go from the 7th to the 1st screen on the Galaxy S. This is not possible on the home screens, but inside the applications you can keep, the loop is endless, you can keep scrolling. Next, yes, if you're playing videos, then sometimes because of the whole touch-based interface, it is possible that you might hit the touchscreen once and the video starts, or the video gets stopped or something. So all you can do is hit this power button. It locks the screen, so even if you can hold the screen as you like without there being any other interaction, and you can enjoy your video. To unlock, just simply hit the lock screen once again and you're ready to go. If you want to exit, you can hit the back button, or you can tap the on screen key as well. The next thing that I'd like to show you is let's just get that out of the way. is a testing mode which is inbuilt to this device. If you hit *#0*#, it presents you with this test menu in which you can check for dead pixels, whether the camera is working, the front camera is okay, if the screen is alright, and as you can see, you can do a bunch of different tests. It isn't something which you'll do on a regular basis, but if you're looking for a dead pixel or something, just know that this is a quick way to select things. Next, as you notice, the Galaxy S does not come with a dedicated search button, but if you hold the menu key for a couple of seconds, it turns into a search button. Again, very convenient, and it means that the front of the device is a lot more clean and nice. In fact, I prefer having the menu key double as the search key instead of having a dedicated button. One of the things that the Galaxy S can also do is use a Bluetooth mouse. So if you have a Bluetooth mouse lying around, all you need to do is pair it, and once you have it, as you can see, it works perfectly as a mouse. There are some things which won't work. The back key is a bit of a problem. The scrolling does not work in the web browser, but for a lot of different things it does work. The scroll button won't work, but the drag mouse, you can just drag drag the cursor and scroll. Probably useful if you're using the TV out connector via the micro HDMI port. If you have it connected with a TV, you can maybe control the music player and do a bunch of different things. Within the browser, another thing that the Galaxy S2 can do is change the default user agent. So if you just hit about:user agent in the browser, you get a list of options where you can select whether it should show up as a Galaxy S, as an iPhone, as a desktop browser, as Nexus 1, or you can even enter your custom string. Or you can even enter your custom string. So really useful if you're wanting to use a site which is specifically made for a particular browser. Within the browser, another thing that the Galaxy S2 can do is change the default user agent. So if you just hit about:user agent in the browser, you get a list of options where you can select whether it should show up as a Galaxy S, as an iPhone, as a desktop browser, as Nexus 1, or you can even enter your custom string. So really useful if you're wanting to use a site which is specifically made for a particular browser. And last, as an Easter egg, if you go to the About Phone option and tap the Android version a number of times, the zombie art by Jack Larson comes up. So there you have it. These were some of the shortcuts that you can use on your Samsung Galaxy S2, which will definitely help you do things faster and enjoy your beautiful device even more. As always, if you have any questions about the device or you'd like me to cover something specific, do let me know in the comment section below. This is Vabha from the Handheld Blog. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.